For burping!
Burn.
Hello, this is Miss Shelby. We want to tell you that you beat a world record!
Yes.
We wanted to ask you if we could put your picture in the next year's world record book.
No.
Well, sorry.
Ho, ho, ho.
Why don't you think about that?
Why? Okay, I'm going to say yes.
Burn.
Think about it.
No.